everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we also enter our projects into hashtag Satmorn Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. All of the links will be down below for the ladies, so you can go ahead, click on that, share your items under both hashtag Satmorn Makes or hashtag Two Crafters One Design, and we'll come over and visit you. This week, our theme was wreath. Next week's theme will be harvest. So you have one more chance to do some fall projects. So I'm going to use this here, which is from Reverse Confetti. And I'm using the largest wreath on there, and unfortunately they have since closed their doors, so you can only find this maybe at a third supply shop, something like eBay or something like that. All right, and then I'm using this beautiful bird from Cottage Cuts, and it's the Christmas cardinal. I love that bird, and I thought I'd give it a shot once again. Using this set, which is from Stamp Anything. I guess it's called 8 Point Star. So I really like this set, and I pulled this out 5x5 card die layers for my creative time. And if you'd like to use my code MOE for 10% off your total purchase, you may do so. Then I also use my glimmer machine, and as you can tell, I went glimmer happy on there and glimmered up the actual plate. But anyways, I am using Winter Wishes from there, so I'm using that and that. And here goes my beautiful card that I created. I really like how this card turned out. That wreath really just put the focus right on that cardinal. I didn't add any extras to the wreath around. I thought it was perfect in the gold. And I did use the extra items that went with that cardinal, the holly leaves and the berries, to put on there. Just so pretty. There goes that Winter Wishes, and I accented gold around the outside. Love this paper. I got it from Tuesday Morning way back in the day, probably 7 or 8 years ago. And I have a whole pack of it still. So I thought I would pull it out and kind of use that as a focus in the background. So I thought that turned out so pretty. I did glossy accent the beak and the eye, and then I added a few little gems going around there, and I also put glossy accents on the berries too. Really pretty. There goes the inside of the card. Love how it turned out. And if you have the time to enter this week for the wreath challenge, go ahead and do so, and meet us back here next Saturday for harvest. And that's it. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.